Welcome to West Branch, Iowa, Herbert Hoover's Presidential Library and Museum. Let's take a look. Well, now that I've left the library, I'm going to go walking through this little community thing here, Presidential Routes. So we'll go tour this part, and then we'll wrap up the video. That's about it. If you walk down to here, you get to see the reason these houses are here. This is a home of Herbert Hoover's aunt and uncle. So this will be pretty cool. I'm not going to show you the definition of every building, but something to do when you're here. Absolutely love this house. So we're gonna go take a look at it. So I'm gonna introduce you to the meaning of this one. And this was the C. Smith house. He was a Civil War veteran, a carpenter, and he moved to West Branch with his wife moved in the 1880s to West Branch, and in 1903 finished the Dream House, which was on top of Cook's Hill down the road to your left, where each spring he tapped his trees to make maple syrup. Jesse Hoover, blacksmith. 1875, this would have been the birthplace of Herbert Hoover. Well, a lot of people do not realize, because a lot of times, most of the time, people are actually born in hospitals. Not all the time. But this time period, no, you would not have been born in a hospital. You would have been born basically in a cabin. Every day I learned something new. I did not realize that he was raised with Quaker values. So I am inside a Quaker church. Well, I hope you enjoyed your visit to the Herbert Hoover Library, Museum, and buildings and a replica town and everything, and things that were important to him, people that was important to him. I just wanted to give you the opportunity to see the library in case you ever make it out here. And I did not know anything about this, so this was pretty interesting. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the brief look into Herbert Hoover's life. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.